traveling by sailboat. What does it mean? What's it about? And what are you getting yourself into? You can book a sailing course or you can book a sailing holiday. But to really live an adventurous, free-spirited and pure natural way of travel, you can also travel by sail on someone else's sailing boat. You can travel on someone else's sailing boat to really get a taste of what it's like to live on a boat or to reach a certain place. And traveling by sail can have many different shapes or forms. It can be just for a day, for a couple of days. It can be along the coast, or it can be across oceans, or even for months, if not years at a time. Captains often want crew to make a trip more relaxed, more fun, more safe, or more affordable. And then there are people out there like you who are looking to get a taste of what sailing life is like, or perhaps looking for a more environmentally friendly way of travel. With more and more people on this planet and an increasing awareness of the impact of our actions, we're also looking for more and more ways to minimize the environmental impact of travel. A sailboat moves forward, powered by the wind, and if you love it, it can turn into a self-sufficient way of life. Sailing can be done on a budget and without having a boat. It's not only for the rich and famous or if you grow up sailing. There's a whole world out there of sailing boats, of captains who are happy taking strangers on board to share the fun, to share the workload, and maybe sometimes they just have the space. But traveling on a sailboat is not an adventure to be taken lightly. There are some aspects to be mindful of. And to make it a positive, memorable experience, you need to know what it's about, who you're jumping on board with, what to look out for, what to look for, where and when, because your life depends on it. Finding a boat is one thing, but finding the right boat that feels good is what makes all the difference.